Looking to stay connected and informed with email notifications on X, Twitter, using your PC? Let's walk through the steps to enable this feature. Start by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Next, navigate to and click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Within the Settings menu, locate and select Email Notifications to customize your notification preferences. Once you're in the Email Notifications section, find the option to turn on email notifications from the top of the page. This step ensures that you start receiving email alerts for important updates from Twitter. After turning on email notifications, remember to click on Save Changes to apply the new settings and ensure that your preferences are saved. By following these steps, you can easily enable email notifications on X, Twitter, for your PC. Stay in the loop and receive timely updates right in your inbox, keeping you informed about your Twitter activity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials to enhance your social media experience.